name is Hussein Gafaratu, the founder of Queen Gaf Enterprise. The SME grant has transformed my business to the next level.
My name is Harriet Adams, founder of Progressive Healthy Foods. The SME grant has helped me to increase my production.
Queen Gaf Enterprise was established in 2006 to process local food crops by adding value to it, packaging it, and then selling to the general public. I realized that dawadawa was something that people cherish, but the way it was being handled in the market was not good enough to attract people. So I decided to give it a facelift by making sure that I produce it under hygienic condition and then adding value to it. Before the grant scheme, I used to dry on a platform just in the open, and the problem associated with it was that after that you could also have some other droppings in it, and then during rainy season we could not do much production. I actually received a dehydrator, the one that could really dry the cereals and the legumes that I dry, and I also received a mailer, a mailing machine that could mail my products. The problem was that, after working so hard and sending your product to the public mail, you could get contaminated by somebody else's product. So there was cross-contamination. We also acquired a packaging machine that could, now it can be faster. We do it faster than before. The business has expanded because before then, the way I used to dry, I could only wash the small portion of the product that maybe I'll be doing in a week. But now, because of the machine, now I've decided to bring more people to do the washing so that we can do it in large quantities, then we dry it, and then we are good to go.
Progressive Healthy Foods is an agro-processing company. We are into the processing of soya-based foods, soya milk, soya yogurt, protein powder, and then soya cheese. Before the grant scheme, we used to cook our products in a pot, aluminum pot. But now with the grant scheme, we now have this beautiful stainless steel boiler that we use to cook our products. And at least the quality of our products have improved. Before we received the equipment, we used to do about 100 liters per batch. But after we received the equipment, we can now do about 500 liters per batch. So we have really increased our production.
One group of company be attachment. Before no na company no kasiye because I'm saying you use manual na dey. It me 50 bucks a day. Inti my nya adwene mi say o say nya moa free baby. Na bebu ama company ni timi gina ni na so yi. So anything near dey ho kobo enkrofo ya won my grant machines are inya concrete mixer ene ne dey mix attachment no so it me produce it me more production a day cry it me 200 and over inti aboan ama adwuma na ye no cost pa.
I want to thank the German government. I want to thank GIZ. I also want to thank AGI.
And all other people that have made this thing a success. God bless them and bless their families properly. Thank you. Nate Mapam.